everyone, I just wanted to jump on here for a moment. I had just got back from running errands in town and I decided to stop at Michael's and Dollar General. Dollar General here doesn't really have the fall items out yet, but I did find a few things that I thought was kind of neat. And they still had some of these little spring decor pieces left. And these look like that we'd be able to just pop them off or even paint over that and do some kind of cute little stencil on there. And I actually found 3 of these and I just thought, why not? They're $2 and I know we can do something. You can put a stem on there also and just make some cute little pumpkins out of these. And then I found a couple of these. I actually had one of these in my stash and then I found the other 2, but I'm just going to go ahead and share this with you because I am going to be doing a DIY on it. I'm going to cut this right in half and then set it up right, put a little stand behind it, and look at that. That is gonna make the cutest little pumpkins. But there's 3 of those, so if you find these, definitely grab them, because I thought, what cute little pumpkins we can make out of these. Well, that was it. That's all I got at Dollar General. And then I went in Michael's, and of course, right up front where they keep those little dollar bins, I found some of these little boxes. And I know everybody's been doing a lot of different things with them. They do have the hooks that go on the back for hanging. But I'm going to go ahead and maybe have something coming up out of here and maybe do one of the little pumpkins. But I got a couple other ideas. I'll save those for you and surprise you with the DIYs. And I also wanted to show you, this is one of their new little pails. They had several more of these, but I just look how cute this is. I just love the design on here. But all kinds of fun ideas for this one, and you can see it's pretty good size. But that was the other thing that I had found at Michael's. Now these are great. I'm gonna go ahead and sit down at the table here in a moment and just show you some of the things that are in here. This one I got because it's just the cozy neutrals, and it's just got some really, really pretty colors in there. But the ones that I was really, really excited to find was the Harvest Meadow, and this one, like I said, I'll sit down and show you in more detail here in a minute. And then I also found the Colors of Autumn, and right now at our Michael's, these are buy one and get 2 free. I mean, what a deal on those. But anyway, in just a moment, I'm going to go ahead and sit down and show you the pages of those. First of all, I wanted to show you something that I ordered, and I absolutely love it. And you notice I got my hair up today. I absolutely love this little hair bun. And today I'm kind of having one of those hair days where I just needed to do something. So I usually just take this little hair bun, and this is so easy, everyone. You just take and pull it up, especially if you're having a bad hair day or you just need to get out of the house quick. And then I just kind of just twist that little extra piece around. And this one is just a kind of a medium size, and they have several colors in there, so you should be able to find something in your hair color tone. But you just take that, keep that little extra hair there, and I just grab this little one and pop it around there. And then I like the size of it because it's not actually too big. And then I just kind of pop it up like that. And then pop you some earrings on. And I love this little thing. I think it's just perfect, you know, for the quick days that you need to get out and run about. But I will leave a link to this in the description below. I just wanted to share that with you because I just thought this was just a fun and simple little piece that you can throw in your hair if you got to make a run. Well, everyone, let's go ahead and I'll switch the camera, and I want to definitely show you all of the different pages that are in these little paper books. They are wonderful. Okay, everyone, I've got the camera switched over so we can take a look at our paper pad. First, I'll go ahead and give you a better view of this pail. It is just the cutest, and I just love the sunflower design. I'm going to go ahead and show you the Colors of Autumn first, and I just thought it was worth getting these out and letting you see the different pages that's in here because the designs are just great. And last year I actually missed out on getting some of these fall books. So if you like using these in your craft designs, you may want to run over there before they get gone. Look at this one with the mushrooms. And then just a really pretty green. And I love this. You could even cut this out and put it on some cardboard and use it in the center of your wreath. And look how cute these are. I mean, these are just about the right size of some of those small little picture frames that you can find at Dollar Tree. And you could just cut these right out and make a really cute little picture to set up in your decor. Got some of the little trucks there. Those are really cute. And I think these are, well, actually it looks like they're butterflies and maybe moths, but I just love the colors. Oh, this is a really pretty one. I'm trying to hold it at an angle so you can get the true colors. I really like this green plaid. Oh, here's some more of these little picture frames. You can actually get them at Michael's, Hobby Lobby, and I think Dollar Tree has had some of the small picture frames. But look how simple and fun this would be just to cut these out and just put them in a picture frame. And these are small enough you could actually use them on your tier tray. Oh, I love the wheat. It's a little busy, but you could actually just use that as a background and do a nice stencil over top of it. And then this one's just some berries. But this one was definitely a good one, and it was called The Colors of Autumn. Now this one is Harvest Meadow, and it's a little more kind of whimsical, I think, in a way, but I really like some of the colors in here. And this one is just beautiful. I think I'm definitely going to frame this one. Let me see if I can turn it this way to get a little better lighting. And I love the little pinstripe. You could actually take this right into Christmas. And you can just see how several of these are going to make just great backgrounds, or even just to put over some of the wood pumpkins. And especially like if you have a bathroom maybe that you have in a different color tone like this, how cute would it be just to have a little picture frame or one of the little pumpkins, and that way you could just bring it right into your decor. And here's another one you could just cut right out and make little signs. I actually love that these are tags. This one's kind of busy, but I kind of like it for some reason. And any of these would look really pretty, just covering a wood pumpkin. Oh, here's one of my favorite also. And the name of that one again was Harvest Meadow. Everyone, I picked this one up just because I like the fact that it had the neutrals in it, and it's just called Cozy Neutrals. And I just thought that this would be one that you could kind of pull some of the designs into a Christmas decor or the fall decor, especially if you wanted to have the theme of the fall and Christmas, but yet kind of stay within your decor in certain rooms. But I love this. I have a lot of gray still in my living room, but I just love this. And even though it kind of looks like little flowers, I believe it actually is little flowers, but I just love the colors of that tone of gray. And of course, there's some more of the little pinstripe that you can always do something with through fall, Halloween, and Christmas. But I thought these made just really neat little background pieces. And you can't beat the deal on this. Today is when I stopped in there and they were buy one for $19.99 and get two free. So they're definitely gonna go off the shelves quick. That would make a really pretty black and white pumpkin. Another one that would make a really neat black and white pumpkin. Another great background for a wreath if you just wanted to put a piece of poster board or cardboard on the back of there. Oh, everyone, I'll have to talk a little louder. I think our air conditioner just kicked on. Look at this, what a fun design. Well, everyone, that is it for today's small little haul. I just definitely wanted to share all of these books with you today. I just thought it was worth taking a peek and letting you see what was in the pages. Because if you're like me, sometimes I'm in there and I just get so overwhelmed at all of them that you want to look through. And sometimes you actually miss some of the really good papers in there with the different types of designs on it. But let me flip that camera back over and I'll talk to you here in a moment. Well, everyone, I hope you enjoyed today's little mini haul from Michael's and Dollar General. And I hope you enjoyed seeing all of the different pages in the cardstock books. I thought we had some really neat designs in there. And you'll have to let me know what you think of that. And if you would like to see more videos like that, where I actually show you details in some of the items that I find, so you can decide if there's something in there that you would like to use in your home decor. Well, everyone, if you did enjoy this video, I would love it if you give me a thumbs up for this video, because that really does help YouTube notice my channel a little bit more. And also, if you are subscribed to my channel, I want to thank you so much for your support. And if you're a new subscriber, I want to welcome you to the YouTube family. And I am happy to have you here and to be sharing all of my creations with you. Well, everyone, let me show you one more little thing over here. I actually got these little galvanized planners at Walmart the other day, and I just thought they were so cute, and they really fit in to the kind of the farmhouse theme. And my daughter has got me into these snake plants, and I just love them. So I'm going to be keeping this little area right here kind of decorated for you to see. And let me see if I can get a little angle. I have a really small home, so I kind of have this little spot here that I can share with you and film and put up a few little creations. But everyone, anyway, there's that, and I will see you on the next one. And let me know, like I said, if you'd like to see more videos like this. I'll talk to you soon. Have a great rest of the week.